Here's how I wash my makeup brushes. Firstly, this is just warm water, micellar water from Nivea, that glycerin soap, and then that washing mat I got from Discount. I just had this crazy idea to add some rubbing alcohol, and I basically just kind of like dipped or soaked my brushes for a little bit, not for too long. And then I went ahead and so basically the method is just to swirl with the soap, just to lather it up a bit, and then brush against the mat. And what I've also noticed, and when I went back and did my research, is that you're not supposed to rub too hard because you ultimately disturb the pattern, especially because the bristles are glued on. So if you rub too hard, you can mess up your brushes. But just reshaping them afterwards, and also just being gentle as you are rubbing on the mat. But yeah, and then after each washing each brush, I would just try to dry it as much as possible and then put it on a towel. These are my eyeshadow brushes. I totally regret getting a white what handled brushes. I got them from AliExpress a long time ago. They were cheap, so I just thought, why not? But they actually clean quite easy, although they turned pink because I was washing them with Domestos, so I think it was a bit harsh. And then here I'm just showing you my makeup brush collection. These are brushes from AliExpress again. They're supposed to be the Sedona lace brushes. These, I forgot where I got them. These I got from AliExpress as well. Or they're the white ones that I was talking about. And then these ones I got from Edgar's at Kelso. And then these ones my friend won a competition, so she shared with me. Thank you, Zaza. And then yeah, that's how I wash my brush.